That's a free-range chicken. Moo. Moo. Who is this? Oh, look. Thing. Washing my face. This is the way we come to wash our face. Yeah. Just kidding, guys. So, morning, great people. African traveler. I'm in the village right now. As you can see, I'm enjoying my Christmas from the village, and I just want to show you guys the morning routine, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Hey, baby.
Good morning.
How are you enjoying the village?
I love the village life.
You're really enjoying it?
Yeah.
Okay, so. Have you fed the cows?
Yeah, I woke up at 5 a.m. to do this job. No, I'm doing this.
This side. So this is a machine for cutting napier grass. So the machine works in a way that you put napier grass, and it's automatic, so you put just the light on. And you have here the cows. See? They're a bit shy. Oh.
This one is called...
what's the name?
This one is called who? Cairo.
Cairo?
Kageni.
Kageni.
Gatuna. The big one is Kageni. This one. The brown one, Gatuna.
So this is Gatune.
Brown.
Oh, Gatune means brown.
Yes.
Then this one?
Kageni.
Kageni.
The biggest is Kageni, and
Kageni.
the other one is Cairo, which means black.
Cairo means black. Kageni.
This has nothing to do with race. These are just...
You guys are racist.
No.
The black, brown.
Kageni, and the other
Gatune.
one is Gatune.
Cairo means?
Cairo means black.
Black. Take me to the roof.
To the roof.
I'm in your village. You must be a farmer.
So this is where we keep the food for the cows. This is really, really healthy and nutritious.
Yeah.
Like if you want to lose weight also, even as a human being, you could feed on this.
Really?
No, I'm joking. So these are vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin K, and all the vitamins in the world that you can get in milk.
So guys, the cows really eat. This place was fully, like it was completely full.
In the evening.
Remember the Remember the last time we were here?
Yeah.
This and this other side is already finished. How do you call so guys, these are maize cob. This after harvesting maize, then you're left with this. So they're usually very healthy and they produce lots of thick milk.
Yes.
Strong.
Healthy milk.
Thick, healthy milk. So when you harvest your maize, don't throw away, don't burn them. So what you do is mostly if you're a good farmer and you have cows, they usually kept. They dry up. You keep them in at least in a raised place. You can see it's raised.
Are these Chinaware?
You see, this place is raised. Below it there's cows, so that they don't get much.
Yeah. I wanted to show them the Chinaware. So this is what we use for food.
Yes.
So this was bought where? I don't remember.
You use it for food. What do you mean?
So this is like it can be used as a plate.
If
you cut it here halfway,
I
think this can feed. This can be a platter. This can be a platter for like 10 people. So yeah, these are Chinaware.
It's a joke.
We go down.
Cairo.
Cairo. I know people will say Canairo. It's Cairo, not Canairo.
It's Cairo.
Don't break the chain now.
Sawa. Take me to the goats. This side. Look at this small cow. Moo.
So we've not named this one yet.
What should we call it?
What should we call it?
African traveler.
African traveler 80.
80. Just call it 80.
Yeah. 80. Yeah. See, he likes it. So this is a stuffed bull.
This is a goat.
It's called King Kong.
I have some goats here.
Then this one is called King Kong. I'm just giving them names right now on the go.
So funny. Look at this small one. Baby goat. How are you?
That's Mrs. 80.
Oh, that's Mrs. 80. I like this King Kong. Just eating in the morning.
China where?
Who is this? Who is this?
People who love pork chops and the likes.
Pork ribs.
Pork ribs. This is where they get it from.
This is another one. I guess I've... Oh, look. Thing are very... They just come here to eat.
Aggressive. The best avocado.
Guys, if you try these avocados, leave those hussy things that you guys see. These, they're life-changing.
Look at the vegetables.
Ah,
Wiki.
the napier grass. Hey, the last time we were here, the maize ilikuwa ndogo, si ndio? Like the maize ilikuwa hapa, ndio zilikuwa zimepandwa. Wow. If you see what you're seeing now. So guys, this is the coffee farm. So this is how coffee looks like. So from the farm to the factory, I'll just show you guys. So you can see this is green. It will take another 4 to 5 months to be ready by March or April next year. So this is December 2020. So from here, I'll show you guys how it's gonna be sorted. So guys, so this is how coffee looks inside. It usually has 2 seeds. Still very premature right now. Let me just take you through how the coffee process is. So as soon as you harvest the coffee, it's in the basket, it's in a gunia, it's in a sack. They're brought here. So after being brought here, there's a machine. The machine sieve them, which actually grind the seeds and sorting out from the chaff. So the cover of the coffee. I'll show you some coffee farm. So they'll try and cover the coffee beans, remove the top part, which I shown you earlier, and then they will go to this machine, which so the machine is basically just to clean the top part, right? So then we come here. So the last coffee beans were harvested in June. So you can, this is about 6 months later. So that's why you can see, this is a personal, actually I didn't tell you, this is someone's coffee milling machine. Now this machine separates, so you can see 2 areas. So the coffee will come from here, and the chaff will come from here, the dirt, through this place to the garden. So it's recycled, and the coffee will be released to this mesh for sorting. So the sorting will be in this side. You can see this one will be collected in sacks or in baskets and dried here. So normally they use sacks, so the sacks will be placed here and they will be dried here, ready to be taken to a coffee milling machine or exported as coffee beans. So if you ever see coffee beans, this is where they are dried. Yeah, and You can see from there, the far end, we still have some more. The second place, this is a society. This is a community, mostly usually done by circle or group of people, group of farmers, and it's done in a bigger scale than what we saw before. So hope you guys are learning something. So when you're having coffee on your mug, wherever you are, from which country, just know how coffee looks like, how coffee is processed. Thank you. Look at that waterfall. It's beautiful.